Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to unfollow someone directly from their profile page on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. The process is very simple, and this new update makes it even quicker to manage the accounts you follow. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're signed in with your account. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see your navigation panel on the left and your feed in the center. From here, it's time to visit the profile of the account you want to unfollow. To do that, type the username of the account in the search bar at the top right corner and hit enter. When the results appear, click on their profile to open their page. You'll see their profile picture, bio, posts, and at the top, a button that says following. Now, this next step is what actually removes the account from your following list. Hover over or click that following button. It will instantly change to unfollow. Once you click it, the button will update again, switching from following to follow. That's how you'll know the unfollow action was completed successfully. You don't need to confirm or reload anything. The change takes effect right away. If you decide to follow them again later, you can simply click the follow button once more. This new layout on X makes it easier to control the accounts you follow without going through extra menus or settings. Whether you're cleaning up your following list or just adjusting who appears on your feed, this method works best directly from the profile page. And that's it. You've now unfollowed an account on X using the web version on your PC. Take a moment to check your following list to confirm your changes and keep your feed exactly the way you like it.